Today, this is
My stuffed Korean. Spicy. My dumpling. Let me show you my dumpling. This is it, and open it. Open it. When you open it, ta-da! All right. Cheers. When I got it.
Voilà.
Mom is taking one with a
Boudin?
fork.
Siya pegang monster.
Kami dati tiwi. Kalian suruh ibu kerja apa lah? Jana.
Alright. On to that. And let's see. Ooh, it looks really like yummy. Look at this fresh dumpling.
Go? May nasa lasa.
Kasi po ka. Kita ko siya si.
Sudah, tapi itu sudah aku cuma pikir.
Yang tapi po.
You put a little bit of rice.
Dan ini susu lah.